All right, redo of problem 17. Ooh, help me out. I need to know if this is plus 2x or minus 2x. Oh, I know from right here. It's minus 2x. Okay. All right. So, so what I want to do here is I take this function and first ask, is it smiling or frowning? Okay? And I know it's smiling if the first coefficient is positive. If the first coefficient is negative, then it's frowning. Okay? So smiling, perfect. It looks like this. Okay? Second, I find the first derivative. Remember, to find the first derivative, let's find the blue. That's the first one. Blue says I take this number and I multiply it by that. So what's 2 times a half? Half of 2. 1. So it's 1x. And then you just bring down this number. Minus 2. Because what's 1 times that number, right? Exactly. So it's easy. And now I solve for 0. Okay? Because the slope at 0. The instantaneous slope we're looking for is 0. Right? At this point. This is what we're looking for. Is this point right there. That make sense? Okay, so now I'm going to solve this. So I add 2 and I add 2 and I get x equals 2. Okay? So then what? I plug this 2 in because this is the axis of symmetry. Okay? Now I plug that 2 into the function. This is the function, right? So I plug the 2 in. And then what's 2 squared? 4, right? And 4 times a half, what's half of 4? 2. Okay, so I got 2 minus 4 minus 4. So I need to go, well, what is 2 minus 4? Minus 2, right? What's minus 2 minus 4? And I get minus 6, correct? So I have f of 2, sorry about that, is equal to minus 6. Okay? So what I have here is 2 and negative 6. That's my vertex. Okay? That's my vertex. Okay? And now I need to do my step 3 with purple. And step 3 is really easy. I plug in 0. But if I plug a 0 in here, what's 0 times anything?
0.
And 0 times anything?
0.
And 0 minus 4.
Negative 4.
So I get 0 and negative 4. That's my other point. That was an easy point, right? Now, the other point is 2 times the axis. Okay? 2 times the axis. And so I say, okay, well, f of 2 times, what's the axis? Isn't it 2? Right? So what is 2 times 2? F of 4, correct? And then I plug that into the formula here. Half of 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 4. Okay? Now these should cancel. If they don't cancel, I did something wrong. Okay? So what is 4 squared? Come on, people. 4 times 4. 16. What's half of 16?
8.
8. All right, what's 2 times 4?
8.
8. Do those cancel? Yeah. So I get 4 and negative 4. Okay? Now I just got to graph it. And so I go in here to graph, right? And I've got a 0, negative 4. I've got a 4, negative 4. So I need to have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to have a negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So I've got negative 4, I've got 4 and I got 2. Correct? And then my first one's a blue one. Or no, was it green? Green one. And it's 2, -6. Oh, -6. So 2, -6. That's my vertex. My other point is purple. That's 0, -4. Then my other point is red. It was supposed to be red. Sorry about that. And that's 4, -4. So that would be 4, -4 right there. Right? And so this is my function. Okay? That's my function. Should we copy this for homework? Should we copy this down? See, a lot of you looking. Not me.
It's good.
Check out, sir. But this is your homework. Let me see, 1 student, maybe 2 students copying this down. 3 now. Okay? We need to have this down. That's 2 problems. That's a lot of work, right? Yeah. If you don't copy it, it's going to be a lot more work, right? Okay? Now, before I do 19,